Okay, it's my favourite time of the day to film videos on my car at night when everything is hard to see for some reason. This is like me at the end of the video filming the start, because for some reason, not for some reason, I just didn't expect them to be such a big issue, but these valve caps, the eBay valve caps, I don't know. I'm sure you could look after them, but really, if you, it's just better to just leave them like this, or just get something that's better quality, honestly. You buy cheap parts, and what happens to them? You know, they behave like cheap things, and you have to fix them. You end up having to. The cheap stuff always comes back to you, and you having to like replace the cheap stuff anyway. So yeah, I'll just show you whatever footage I have now, and yeah, it's only short. Yeah, one of the seized things off. Got this old bike tube here, same valve, so I'm going to put this on there and try different ways of getting it off that doesn't damage the valve. Pick this up from Super Cheap Auto, 12 bucks. See what it does. Work, and I have to grip it with the vice grips. So rooted it up, yeah, because that's broken off. So can't really use a nutcracker on valves. I just thought maybe that would help, but we didn't really get it hot enough with that, and sort of couldn't get it hot enough with that. WD-40 didn't help at all, and we couldn't loosen it with the pliers because it would just tear the plastic off. Oh, didn't actually realise I pulled that off completely. So I'm pretty sure take it in for a wheel alignment and also get the valves replaced. Got the valve stems done, only needed 3 done, so okay, we're at the end of the video, sort of realising that it's probably only going to be a YouTube short video, so hopefully the rest of it isn't too cut off. But I don't know if it is too cut off, then this will just be a normal YouTube video. But yeah, we got, as you saw, 30 bucks, because I managed to get one loose, which I think was actually this one. I mean, like, I bought the valve caps thinking, oh yeah, I'll just grab it with pliers, it'll be all good, but no. There we got the new stuff on there everywhere, new caps on everywhere. Thanks for watching.